In the previous lecture, we have seen the sporematic plant body, that is a herb syrup trees, and the conducting tissues which are developed. In this period, we are going to see that is the flower. Flower is the modified shoot and meant for the reproduction. This flower consists of accessory and essential holes. Accessory holes do not take direct in reproduction. Essential holes, they direct take part in the reproduction. Accessory holes consist the calyx corolla. They are meant for only protection. Essential holes consist, that is the androecium and gynoecium. Therefore, androecium and gynoecium, these are the here important one. This androecium, individual member of the androecium, is known as the stamen. The stamen consists of the filament, connective, and the anther. That is the antherium. That is the essential hole. Second one, that is the gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female reproductive structure. This female reproductive structure consists the ovary, style, and on the tip, that is the stigma. Stigma is a unique characteristics of the angiospermic plant body. The male reproductive organ, that is the anther. This anther consists of the microspores. The microspores, they are known as the pollen grains. The microspores, they are spherical to oval in outline. They are the uninucleated, unicellular with a dense cytoplasm. Consist the exile and intine. Exile may be smooth or spiny, intine smooth one. And on this exile, they have small pores known as the germopores. Here, female reproductive organ, that is known as the gynoecium. Gynoecium, individual member, they are known as the carpel. Carpel swollen structure, that is ovary one. Ovary and side stigma. That is, the ovary consists of the egg cell. Ovary consists of the egg cell. The male reproductive organ undergoes the germination. Through the germ pores, it produces the germ tube. The nucleus along the cytoplasm migrates into the germ tubes and two male gametes are produced. At the time of the maturations, the wall between the dissolves chemical substances which are found, they have come at the stigma, and mucilage mold is formed. The pollen grains, pollination takes place through these agencies, that is known as the wind, insect, or water. The pollen grains deposited on the stigma, pollinated. After deposition, the pollen grains germinate, and germinated male gametes reach to the egg cell. This egg cell fertilization takes place. Here, the antheria and gynoecium, that is the male gamete and egg cell, are the haploid one. When the male gamete fuses to the egg cell, the zygote is produced. And this zygote, which are produced, this is the diploid one, that is known as the spore. That is known as the sporophyte. Here, the pollen grains which are germinate gametes are produced, and here the gynosium which are present, it consists of the embryo sac, it consists the synergids, antipodals and polar nuclei. Here 8-celled embryo sac is developed, and these polar male gametes fertilization takes place. That is one gamete here fuses with the egg cell. One male gamete fuses the egg cell. Diploid zygote is formed. The another male gamete there fuses the polar nuclei. Fuses the polar nuclei. That is out of two male gametes, one male gamete directly fuses to the egg cell. Second male gametes directly fuses to the two polar nuclei. Therefore, here double fertilization and triple fusion takes place. Means double fertilization, one male gamete fuses to the direct egg cell. Second male gamete fuses directly to the two polar nuclei. Therefore, they are known as double fertilization and triple fusion. Endosperm is formed after the fertilization. It is triploid in one. These endosperms, it is the nutritive tissue and it is useful for the growth of the embryo. After this embryo development takes place, the mature seeds are produced, and these seeds, they are the endospermic or non-endospermic. The ovary, that is the carpels which are present, the ovary after fertilization is converted into the fruits. The ovules which are present in the carpel after fertilization, they are converted into the seeds. Suppose take example, that is a mango. Mango in the center, one seed is present, and total entire mango consists of the epicarp, mesocarp. These are the pulpy regions which are developed from this ovary one. The seeds which are present, it consists of two cotyledons and one cotyledon. Many of the species are the two cotyledons, that is known as the dicotyledonous one, and some species are the monocotyledons. Two cotyledons, that is a pulses ground, after the breaking it gives it splits up into the two cotyledons. Example, pulses groundnut one. One cotyledon seeds with one cotyledon. The seeds total entire part and seeds, they are enclosed. After breaking or force, then it gives rise to small pieces. There is no seed inside one. Therefore, it is known as one cotyledon. That is grasses, that is jar feet. It comes under this monocotyledon plants. Here, two cotyledons germinate, that gives rise to pupil and that is the radicals. Here, the life cycle is an important one. The life cycle shows the alternation of the generation. Here, alternation of generation means one generation alter to the another generation. Here, sporophyte plant body is a dominant one. Sporophyte plant body consists the root, stem, leaves, and flower. Flower is the main part of this plant body. When the flower is developed, then flower becomes mature. After maturation, pollination takes place. That is the stamens, that is mature. After mature, from the stem, tetrasporangium stamens, that is the pollen grains are released. Released pollen grains simultaneously, there is a development of this, that is the gynosium, and this gynosium receives the pollen grains. That is fertilization takes place. Seeds are formed. Here, the flower which is the dominant one, and the gynosium, that is the Sporophytic, after development, the fruit is harvested immediately. It is a recessive one. These are the important unique features of this